Okay, so I'm going to show you how to make a page. You go to Page tab and then click Create Page. For a new method, an account should have an existing page. It's okay whatever category is that. So you can either choose business or brand or community or public figure. So for now, I choose community or public figure. Available pages can be seen in the Airtable. So these ones are our pages. This one is already taken, so we need to get the available. Let's discover adventure. Okay, so the page name, we paste the page name here, and the category is your judgment based on the page name. So maybe I can put a blog or personal blog or community, whatever you want. Click continue. And then upload a profile picture. In the Airtable, profile picture and cover photo is already available, so you just need to copy and open it in the new tab. Okay. Also the cover photo. Actually, you can search for your own cover photo and profile photo for your page, depending on your taste, as long as it's a catchy image. So click upload profile picture. Okay, so right click, save image as. Sometimes it really it takes time. Okay, and then I'll just transfer it to my desktop. It's just a normal uploads, guys. It's just a normal upload, so you can do this. It's easy. Upload a profile picture. Or if it takes too long, we can skip and then skip. Oh, yep, and just upload the pictures in this side, in this part. Okay, so this is your page without the profile picture and the cover photo. Okay, you can try to upload from here. Okay, here. Upload a photo. Okay, so adding pictures or images here takes a lot of time due to poor connection. And since this is just we're just making an existing a page for the original account, we can just leave it for now and continue it later on, because we need a existing page here on our original account before we can attach a page from a dummy account to this account. So for now, having a page is all good. We'll just edit it later and polish it later. Okay, so this is how you're going to create a page. What's important is the page from the dummy account that is really well polished, and we can just polish this later on. Okay, so what's important here is the original account already has a page, and then that's it, and we proceed to the next step. If you have some questions, let me know.